Question 9, part A. Do I run the flowchart below when n is equal to 50? So we've got this table here, and then we've got a flowchart here. The flowchart has got a challenge because there's something missing here on this decision box. It's got two exits, but we don't know which is true and which is false. So we're going to rectify this by labeling this properly. So this one, we'll call it yes. Okay. Then this one, this path, it will be no. That is a true false. So now we can start since we've resolved this. So let's start. Our n is 50 here. So meaning under column n there, we're going to write 50. Go to column n there, we write 50. Then we start the flowchart. A is assigned to a variable A, meaning in this variable A, there is 2 there. So under column A there, we are going to write 2. 2 here. Then you come here, down here, just follow the lines. It's saying n is equal to n minus 10. So what is the value for n? In our table, the value for n is 50. So it will be 50 minus 10, which will give us 40. So under column n there, we are going to write 40. That is the new value for n, is 40. Then there's a question here. We're saying, is n less than 25? And our n is what? It's 40. Is 40 less than 25? The answer is no. So you come down here, take the root for the no. Then you find this equation. We're saying a is equal to a times 3. So what is the value for a in our table? It is 2 there. So it will be 2 times 3, which will give us what? 6. So under column A there, we are going to write 6. Then you follow the arrow down here, left, up, right, down. So n is equal to n minus 10. What is the value in our table there? Our n is 40. So it will be 40 minus 10, which will give us 30. So the new value for n is 30. So in our table there, we are going to write n is equal to 30. Then you come down here. There's a decision box here. So we ask a question, is 30 less than 25? The answer is no. So you come down here. Then you get the previous value of a, which is what? In our table there, a is 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. So our a becomes 18. So under column A there, we are going to write 18. Okay. Then go down here, left, up, right, down here. What is the value for n? In our table, n is now what? 30. So it will be 30 minus 10, which will give us what? 20. So in our table there, we are going to write the new value for n is 20. And then you come here. Is 20 less than 25? The answer is yes. So you come here, you output the value of a and the value of n. So what is the value for a? In our table, we read a is what? A is 18, comma, n, which is 20. That is our output, and then you stop. That is the solution for that question.